Don't forget, the story's not over yet. Some pass like a cigarette. First of all, guys, this song is from Alec Benjamin. The title of the song is Speakers. We have 2 to 3 parts in this tutorial, if I'm not wrong. So let's start with the chords, guys. Chords for the verses. Here, so the first chord is F first, F sharp. Then second chord is B. And then we'll use a E flat minor at a 6th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a position of B minor, but we'll play this chord at a 6th fret. Okay. Yet again. Sharp, F sharp. The second chord is a B. Then E flat minor, 6th fret. Then last chord for the verses is C sharp at a 4th fret. Okay. Form of B, but at a 4th fret. Okay. Let's play verse 1. I've been thinking about a way, na na na. Okay. Then E flat minor down. Then C sharp. Okay. Repeat this chorus for the verses. Na 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 na. For the verses, verse 1. Na 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 na. And then chorus part. Don't forget. Na 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 na. So these are the chords. F sharp again. Then this time the second chord is move forward at the 4th fret for G sharp minor. Okay, bar this, then ring and finger in this part. 5th and 4th string at the 6th fret, okay? 4th fret, okay? Then third chord is E flat minor again. Then the last chord is C sharp again. So that is for the chorus part. Don't forget. Na 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 na. Okay? C sharp. The string pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Down, up, down, up, down. Don't forget. Na 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 na. Up, down, up, down, up. Timing. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. That is our string pattern and chords for the chorus part. And then the next is for the bridge part. For the bridge part, let's play the ending of second chorus. Ending of second chorus. Ending of second chorus. And bridge part. These are the chords I played first. So the first chord is G sharp minor, 4th fret. Then second chord is B. Then F sharp. Then the 4th chord is C sharp. So let's play each part. And then one day, na 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 na, B. Okay. Then F sharp, C sharp. Okay. We'll play this twice. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, that is the bridge part, and then repeat the chorus chords. I won't forget. Na 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 na. And then let us proceed for the last part or outro, guys. For the outro, we'll play the ending or last part of the chorus and then the outro. Na 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 na. And outro. This is the last line. Okay. So that is the outro. This is the last line of last chorus. Okay. F sharp, B, then E flat minor again, and then C sharp. Then the ending is F sharp. Okay. That is the last line of the last chorus. Okay. Outro. Okay. Last line of last chorus. That's all, guys. This is our no Capo version of how to play this song from Alec Benjamin. The title of the song is Speakers. That's all for today. See you in my next videos, guys. Bye.